So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your Desjardins bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet, and then where it says Banks and Cards, press on Add New. Then press on Banks at the bottom. Now on this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see Desjardins Bank, but if you don't see it, you can go to the top search bar right here, type in Desjardins right here, and then you can go to the next screen. So once you're on this screen right here, it's actually a login to your Desjardins bank account, so you can type in your card number or your username, your password, and then go to the bottom, press on Agree and Link to proceed with the linking that way. So that is how to link your Desjardins bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.